Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. You join me today for a re-upload. This is a video that I had on one of my old channels, and that channel is no more. That's maybe a story for another day. In the meantime, I'm just going to put this video back up because it did have quite a few views, and I feel really bad just letting this video just completely go to waste. I just want to explain that really quick and put that out there because if you're a returning viewer, you're going to watch this video like, what is this logo? Who are these people? Well, it's all from the old channel. With that said, let's play the video and hope you guys enjoy. What's up everybody, this is Alex, and today we're going to be installing Ziza interior and exterior LEDs on my 2006 GLI. This is going to give that interior that really bright, modern look that would be perfect for seducing women, and you know, why else would you have a car? Just kidding. That'll be probably Alright, so a couple of things you're going to need before you get going. Obviously you're going to want to wear gloves so you don't smudge or get any oil on the bulbs. The other thing you're going to need is something to pry the trim pieces off with. Now some people use a plastic pry tool kit. For this exercise we're just going to be using a really thin weight knife. We ordered this Ziza LED kit from ECS Tuning. Looks like a quality kit. It also has instructions. So we're going to kind of be demonstrating those instructions for you and just kind of going through the process and showing you exactly how it's done.
So here we are, Seattle, Washington, and two males in the back of a Volkswagen. Not to be making any sort of bad speculations here.
Alright, so we're pretty much done with the cabin of the car. The last thing we need to do is this little piece right here in the trunk. Now this is the biggest one. It's totally unique. It's got 4 LEDs on it, so make sure you don't get that confused when you're installing these.
The perseverance on the face of poor parents, like, can I cop $1, man? My child needs milk and it's wild. Still, I ain't finna save no skrilly, knowing well what I want sits inside myself. You see that top of the hilly, I'm a straight gun at. I rep the haystack, me and mine escape up at. For little brick crickets who don't wanna change nothing, but here I am, son of brand, let nobody stay frontin', cause I got you covered like a brand new era tonight. No matter what style, pattern, design, I rock a 6, 7.5, tilt to the side. You gotta stick it to the nickel and dime. My life cycle's on a fixie, slick type. Give it some time, I promise I'ma be as tricky with mine. You probably wonder why them kicks be spit shine, limited kind. It's E mighty with infinity live. We bring it back to when I came up. Me and Jantan used to stay up before I had Rossi there for me to give her my love. Pioneer heights, taking hits from a blizzle, and them clouds don't drift enough. I kept it simple for the fact I know that you'd be there front row at the show, with me in spirit everywhere that I go. He knew the SO before we done sported a fro, and stayed low to record in the zone. We finna glow, cause I got you covered with a fresh knitted scully for she's. Rust up and let them comfortably sleep. See, we don't ever wanna sit still until they got something to eat. This time, who done flooded the streets? I'm about to get up, check within a couple of weeks. Another Jemski that's ready to peep. We gotta do it for our brethren, and I'm just one of the fleet. It's no secret as to what I'ma reach in Scott City, where the bricks fit beautiful. Them superficial chicks be gone. Try to recognize the levels I'm on, and while my sun waits quiet in the hype of a storm, I've been dying for the child to be born. One kiss and I'm gone. Carry my soul, son, I know you were strong.